Guys, welcome to my channel. So you have to first this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. Now you can click on search, then enter your model number of motherboard S2H. Then click on the product. Find out your model number of motherboard. This one H510M S2H. Then click on it. Then click on support. Select your operating system, which is using Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installation process same. So first guys, download the all driver. Okay, then try to install. Okay, so first this is audio driver, Realtek audio driver, and click to download. Chipset, chipset, Intel NF installer and serial, just both required for the chipset. And try to download second also. Then LAN, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. Then VGA, Realtek VGA driver, just click to download. So when you click to download icon, it will start downloading all one by one, and let first complete it, then I show you installation. So you just click on this icon, it will forward automatically where it is downloading the required driver. Okay, so first complete it, wait for completing. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one, just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete, it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.